Hello friends, this is Purvik coming with another video tutorial series of the Android application development part 2. In this particular series of the videos, I will discuss about the layouts and views that are used in the most Android application development and that are already available, which are the deprecated one and which are not really useful right now, that I will discuss in this one. So before going for the directly layouts, I will talk about the views in this particular video, so you will be get more clear about the layouts in the next particular video. So in this particular video I will talk about the views and the widgets, the text fields and the containers and the date and time and the another things that will be most that will be useful for you in your particular Android application development. So let's start with that one. So here in this particular Android application I have created one application, let's say hello world. So this is the default layout that I got over here when I will start my Android applications. So this is the palette window there where I will have the another number of elements which I can put on my this particular GUI. So what these particular things are meant to be over with the Android GUI for the user interface. So that is what the first thing is, the layouts, where you will find out the number of layouts that you can use in your Android application, like say frame layout is there, linear layout is there, tabular layout is there, table row is there, grid layout is there, and the relative layout is there. The default layout that is already given to you is the relative layout, where you will make use of the particular thing on the relative basis of the each other. So I will discuss about more about this particular layouts each in the next particular videos. And this is what the layout stands, where you will where it will hold the number of elements which are described in this particular another palettes. So second thing is the widgets, where the widgets are there. Those are the typical things though which you can use to put in your particular forms. Like say if you are making an HTML form, then what kind of things that you require to show to display to the particular user. So those kind of widgets are there. So that is what the number of widgets are there. Like say text view is there, which has the three types of format is there. You can display the large text, medium text and the small text over here. Then the buttons are there, where you can also put the bigger button and the small button over there. And when you will require to put the checkbox and the radio button, then you can also put the radio button and checkbox over there. Then the switch, toggle button, the image button, image view, the progress bar is there, where you can also display or you can show the progresses of your particular task to the particular user. Then the seek bar is there. Then the rating bar is there, where the user can gives the rating to the rating for the particular items. Then the spinner is there, and the wave view is there, which will display a particular URL loaded into this particular UI. So that is what the widgets are already available for the Android application development. Then the text fields are there, which contain the number of text fields for the user to for the particular Android application to take the user inputs. Let's say if the plain text is there, which will take the plain text from the user input. If you want to modify your particular text fields as your requirement, then there are the number of text fields are there for the each and everything. Let's say the personal name, the password, the numeric is there. Then the email, phone, postal address, multi-line text is there. Then if you want to take the time, then the time field is there, date, number signed and in the decimal format both. So these are the text fields that are already accessible for the Android application development when you require anything visible into your particular app development. So this is what the text fields are there. Then the next thing is there, the containers are there, which contain the particular thing inside them. So that is what the radio group is there, which contain the radio buttons. The number of radio buttons inside the radio group is there. Then the list view is there, which will make use of the items to display it as a list, where you can select any of the particular item from the list. Then the grid view is there, where you will display the item as a grid of the particular grid of the item in the matrix form. That is what the grid view. Then the expandable list view is there, where the two-level list view, it is different from the list view, where the expandable list view will contain the two-level list view over there, where you can select the top level element first, then you will pop up with another list which contain the number of elements on the top level selected item. So that is what the expandable list view. Then the scroll view is there, which contain the vertical and the horizontal scroll view, where you will where it will contain the items if you want to display the scroll items in the particular view. So that is what the scroll view over there. Then the search view is there. Then the tab host is there, which will contain the tabs and the fragment part. On the basis of the tabs the user is particularly select, then it will display the particular fragment of the selected tab. So that is what the tab host is there. Then the sliding drawer, gallery, and the two line list item is deprecated right now, deprecated from the Android application development over here. Then the video view is there, which will let you configure the video to your particular Android application, so you can also show the video in your Android application. Then the dialer filter is there, which will take you to the dialer filter, where you can dial a particular number from this help of this particular dialer filter. So that is what the containers. Then the date and time are there, which holds the particular widgets and the items, where you can display the clock items to this particular user interface, where the text clock and analog clock is there. Then the chronometer is there, date picker, time picker, and the calendar views are there, which may be useful in your Android application development. Then these are the basic views, and these are the basic palettes and the basic things that basic things or the items that you can use in your Android application development to configure your GUI of your application as required by your side. Then if you are expert in this particular thing, then you can also put this kind of stuffs in your Android application, where the space is there, which may be used which will use to provide the space between the two widgets. Then the quick contact badge is there. Then the autocomplete text view is there, which will take the text when you will type, and it will suggest you with the number of suggestions when you will giving the input to the particular particular string. Then the number picker is there, which will help you to pick a particular number from there. Then the zoom controls are there, texture view is there, view step is there, view flipper is there. So these are the number of items that are available when you will get expertization in the Android application development. So these are the most useful thing in the Android application development. Then the custom things is there, where you will include a one particular layout. If you have a particular layout specified in your in another .xml file, then you can include that layout inside your another activity over here. So you have to just put this include in your particular this layout, which will contain the name of that XML file. So it will automatically include those created layout inside your this layout. So that is what the custom layout feature is there. Then the fragment is there, which will useful when you will work in the one activity and the different fragments are there. Then the fragments will be useful. Then the request focus is mainly useful when you will where you will get a particular focus of the cursor when you will open your application. So that is what the request focus is there. And the custom view is there, which is already in the part of the custom. So these are the different type of views and the widgets that are mainly available for the Android application development over here. So thanks for watching this video, and I will discuss about all of the things in my next upcoming videos later. So right now it's only about the layouts and the views and the small description about this all, which are already available over here. So check for my next upload videos for getting the more knowledge about these things over here. So thanks for watching this video, and please comment and do subscribe to my channel to get the more updates from my side. Thank you.